Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at kidney stones.
Kidney stones are small, hard deposits of mineral and acid salts formed within the urinary tract. This can obstruct the drainage of urine and may cause intense pain.
A pain that is in your lower back, or pain that runs from the back towards the scrotum or the testicles of the penis in male, and also in the female you could have it in the genital area. One, that is pain, very intense pain. They rate it at intensity of 10/10. Two, you could have blood in the urine. That is the next symptom that you may have. Bloody patient will say, hey, I'm having blood in the urine. Also, you may have infection.
Some individuals may have recurrent infection. Symptoms also include vomiting and diarrhea. Nephrologist Dr. Marius Badal says the condition is quite common in Jamaica. Dr. Badal says while some stones are caused by other diseases, many are related to diet and nutrition. Your diet, especially if you're taking a high protein diet, if you're eating a lot of salt, if you're consume a lot of sugar, these are some of the factors that can contribute to kidney stones. So our diet is very important. Also our weight, obesity, metabolic disorders. Treatment depends on the cause of the stone. This usually involves medication and/or a surgical procedure. So we have to change our diet. The salt intake we have to reduce. Our sugar intake we have to reduce. We have to decrease our salt intake. Also, our protein, we have to decrease the amount of protein sometimes. We have to decrease. Also, the amount of liquid that we consume or drink on a daily basis. Because of our climatic condition, we find that we sweat a lot and we become very dehydrated. And we have to drink water. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.